I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am thrilled to be with my good friend Sam of Dostie Homes. And today he's going to show us a quick move-in in the beautiful neighborhood of Heritage Trace at Crosswater. This is one of the hottest new neighborhoods in Nocatee, so I'm thrilled that Sam has a product that you can buy today. Thanks for having us, Sam.
Thanks for coming. Appreciate you.
Yeah, let's head inside, but let's look at this front porch, though.
Yeah, you have a nice big front porch, which is nice. We try to do that on a lot of our homes out here.
I love that. And yet beautiful, I love around the windows. The beautiful wood around that. It's beautiful. And then I love the solid door because I can't stand
so pretty
when you can look in people's houses. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't want to look in your
It's a little more
house.
private.
Yes, I love it, but I also love the blue color you did outside.
So notice the high ceilings in this house. They're going to be 10 feet minimum up to 13 feet in the trays.
Because it makes the house look huge.
Yeah.
It really does.
Well, this house is just under 2,500 square feet as a reference.
Okay, a little under 2,500, one story, which is very, I mean, that is the big popular thing right now. People do want that. They come to the Welcome Center all the time and are asking for one-story homes, regardless of having children or if they're empty nesters. So what is this front room? What kind of space do people use this?
Well, we call it a flex space. I think most families would use this as a home office or maybe a dining room, if that was your thing. So it's a good size.
And a great sitting area, reading area, homework area, lots and lots of options. I'm going to look to the left just because I love this drop zone. So this house has, is it 2-car, 3-car?
It's actually a 2-car with a third tandem.
Oh, the tandem's perfect for the golf cart. I love that.
Yeah.
Or storage. And then Dostie didn't let us down. We've got a nice coat closet, a great storage area here in the front. Which I do love that. When you have guests, they can leave their stuff in there.
Right.
So what's nice about this floor plan is you've got the 2 bedrooms on the opposite side of the house as the owner's suite.
Correct.
I love that design. So whether you have children, they're on this side, or your guests are on the opposite side privately from you.
Right.
Okay, this laundry room's big.
Yeah,
This is huge.
Big laundry room, out of the way, so you won't hear your washer and dryer.
I love that.
And then you've got 2 big bedrooms with nice sized closets with a Jack and Jill bathroom, which is of course very popular. That's what most people are wanting.
And this Jack and Jill bathroom is just for these 2 bedrooms because this home does have its own powder room. So I just want to point that out. And also, you know, I love the placement of that laundry room because if you do have kids, if you do have kids and they're coming home from their athletics, they can drop everything off in there and not just like dump it in their
That's exactly
bedrooms and
right.
things. So I do love that. Okay, point this out, Sam.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, so we put a pocket door to separate the toilet and the tub and shower from the sink. So if someone's getting ready, another kid could be taking a shower. So there's some added privacy, which is nice.
That's very smart, and I wish all builders would do that because it does allow 2 people in that space.
So the secondary bedrooms are large. They're 12 by 12 and 12 by 13. We've got a nice powder bath for the guest, which is essential. So this home is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. And this is one of my favorite spaces. We call it a comfort zone. Most people would utilize it as a toy room or maybe a TV room.
Yeah,
you could use it as an office, but this is a big space.
It really is huge. So again, you're gonna have to come see Sam right now to see this. But also I love that it is off the kids area, but yet it's right off the kitchen too. So if you made this a homework area also, or the front room or this room, you as parents are still close.
Correct.
Before we look at this amazing kitchen and floor plan, can we go outside?
Yes.
Because this lot is something outstanding.
Yeah. I think that might be the best thing about this house. One of the best things is this lot. So we're on an oversized preserved lot, 60-foot frontage, more than enough room for a pool. And if you notice from this lanai, there's a lot of privacy from your neighbors. So you're not seeing homes to the left or right from where we are.
You're not. I promise you, you can totally sit out here and not see your neighbors.
Right.
And that's something unique that Dostie does.
Right. So what we'll do is we will flip the orientation of the home to give you the most privacy from your neighbors. So you could be out here grilling with your family and not worrying about, seeing your neighbors. So.
No, I absolutely love it. And this backyard is massive.
Yeah,
I
big.
promise you, yes, you can put a pool, a big pool by the way,
Yep.
but you still have a large enough backyard grass space that if you had pets, plenty of room for them, or if you have the kids to play. But if you choose not to put a pool, wow.
Yeah.
I mean, you can throw football across this. I mean, this
Yeah.
is huge.
I think you've got about 100 feet from the end of the lanai to the start of the preserve.
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
Oh, this lot's gonna sell quickly.
That's great.
This is gonna sell very quick. Oh, and I want to point, I love the tile floors throughout the home. So I do want to point out, because it's just beautiful, the colors that y'all chose. Okay, now Sam can talk about the beautiful kitchen and open floor plan.
Oh, thank you. So, you know, white seems to be the rage. So we did the upgraded white quartz countertops. And then all of our homes come standard with the full extension dovetailed drawers and cabinets. So we do that on all of our homes, which is really nice.
It's very, and the soft close is so important, so you're not gonna hear that slamming, slamming, slamming.
That's right.
Yeah, I love that. Thank you for, no, it's okay. Don't worry.
I gotta get it all.
Yeah.
And then look at this space curling. When you come around, you've got this huge living room, and then look at this eating area. And I mean, it's very wide and also long.
Yep.
So this, you could put a very long table. Truth be told, you could easily fit 12 chairs around a table in this space, whether you had a rec table, whether you had a round table. But also with this beautiful island in the center here in the kitchen, because it overhangs, you can fit at least 5 large chairs back here.
Yeah.
So lots of space for entertaining. I can see this being a perfect entertaining home, whether you are a retiree, which we do have a lot here in Nocatee, or a person raising a family.
Agreed.
So I love this. Okay, now we're on the owner suite. So we're on the opposite side of the house, which I do, again,
Yeah.
I love that y'all did that.
Yep.
So beautiful bathroom. Tell us about this.
Right, so what we did is we took out the bathtub, we added a huge shower, dual shower heads, which is nice, and it's wide open, a lot of natural light.
And I love that you left this open, because I've gone in a lot of homes where they put actually a big piece of furniture
Right.
in here,
Mm-hmm.
or you can do beautiful built-ins, but there's a lot of room to really do your own thing.
Agreed.
But then you have the vanity, which if you'll show that right
Yeah.
here. So you can put a cute little chair, you, as a
Makeup
lady, can do
space.
your makeup, I
right.
love that. And then huge closet in the middle. It's very long closet.
Yep.
So, you know, obviously, Sam, they just put some wire wraps just to give you something in here, but you can really customize that space.
That's
And then
correct.
a beautiful, beautiful picture window in the dead center of your owner's suite. I love that.
Right, 15 by 19 master bedroom with the tray ceiling, great view of the preserve. So,
Oh
it's
yeah,
really
I would
nice
put my
space.
bed where Carly is. That would be
Exactly.
the headboard, and this would honestly, this would be your view every morning when you wake up.
Can't beat that.
You really can't.
Yeah.
I mean, this is why people move to Nocatee, for our preserve space.
Yep.
I want to remind people that what's also cool if you buy here in Heritage Trace at Crosswater is that you have your own homeowner association park called the Schoolyard. And it is so cool. I went over there just recently, actually with Carly, and they have amazing play equipment. They have a beautiful little covered area, but it looks like a little schoolhouse. They're gonna have little tables, chairs, a dog park is over there. And you guys, something else down here too.
Well, we've got the Crosswater pool
Oh
and
my gosh, that's
park
right.
that's going to be opening up.
Crosswater Park. So
Yeah.
we're gonna have another pool, a
Right.
lap pool, by the way, over there. Restrooms. There'll be
Volleyball.
yeah,
Right.
sand volleyball, a huge dog park, another playground, and that's coming right out of your neighborhood
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah,
Okay.
20 seconds.
I don't understand why anybody would buy a crosswalk.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, the Nocatee Landing is like a mile away.
Right.
So the Nocatee Landing, oh, you want to walk and see the Intracoastal Waterway? I think people pay millions of dollars for that. Well, guess what? You can live here at a great price and go 1 mile down the road and see the Intracoastal.
That's right.
And launch your kayak, canoe, or paddleboard.
It's awesome.
Okay, I'm buying this Dostie house if you don't. So you need to come out here today and see Sam. He's
Come with
great.
it.
You know him from all the other Nocatee communities that Dostie Home is in. So come out to Heritage Trace at Crosswater today. Thanks for having us,
Thank
Sam.
you so much.
Bye.